everyone, it is winter and the weather is really cold. I mean, so cold. Many times we just want to keep warm, relax, go about our businesses, or just simply lounge, watch movies, especially these holidays, and or just stay and chat with our loved ones. So, because the weather is cold and we're keeping warm, I'd like to show you this simple chicken pepper soup recipe. You can make it just in less than 20 minutes and you're all good to go. So I have the chicken, onions, pepper. Guys, this soup or chicken pepper soup or chicken curry is also children friendly, so I added just a little pepper to just get the spice, and that's it. And I have my spices, and I'm adding scent leaves now. I use the Arabian spices here, some salt, and then this Arabian spices contains clove, cardamom, curry. I really love the combination. And also the pepper. This pepper, I love that it smells and tastes so good, but it's quite mild. For the scent leaves, I used dry scent leaves. Right now, I am pouring in some cornstarch or corn flour. It was dissolved in water, so the liquid is what I just poured in. It will help the soup add some thick nature to it, but you won't really feel the thick nature, just a little. The soup is ready, guys, as you're seeing, and I add some carrots. The carrots will add some color and it's healthy. It's quite lovely and good, and I love the taste. I just stirred a little. I'm stirring it at the moment. I just want the carrot to cook a little so the children can find it softer, because at the moment I have children who are teething, so they like their carrots soft. And I'm also going to be adding some cucumbers. Guys, yes, this soup is lovely because of the vegetables, the carrots and the cucumbers in the soup. It means you have to eat it at a go. You don't have to preheat it after cooking. You don't have to cook your carrots and cucumbers more than just once, because if you do it more than once, it is not good. It just becomes something else for the body. So it is ready now, guys, and this is what we have. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. It's a simple one. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more food content.